my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Just to start out, man, it feels weird again. It feels like I'm just starting to film again on YouTube, and it feels like I've been gone longer than 6 months. So man, I just want to thank you guys for all the support and all of you guys commenting on all the videos saying, man, where are you at? Are you dead? Are you alive? What's going on? Did you get arrested? Like, no, man, I'm here. I've been hustling behind the scenes, and I'm sorry for not updating you guys. I'm sorry for not making a video, but there's just really nothing to make a video about. As you guys can see, cars behind me. It's still down right now, but we've been working on a lot of things behind the scenes. Like I said, as you guys can tell, what we're filming in right now is the shop. This is the shop reveal, and I just wanted to give you guys a little update on where I've been, how I've been doing, what is, you know, the big deal, and why has this been taking so long. Yeah, man, basically I've been hustling, and I kept my head down for a little while, and we finally got a shop. And I feel like this is every car guy's or car girl dream, is to have a little storage like this, a little shop. And me and some homies got together and put some prices together, and we came up with this shop right here. We do not own this shop, but we are renting it for a good price, and for 4 of us, you know, we're paying a little bit, next to nothing. Very, very nice building and parking lot for all of our stuff. So without further ado, I'm gonna start showing you guys, and we do have the transmission for the car, so I will show you that. These guys next door are being stupid loud. I'm gonna show you guys, and let's just start out with showing what the car is on right now. This is the Mustang that all you guys know and love. Still here, as you guys can tell, no transmission. But you guys are probably wondering, man, Chris, that's a sick trailer. Whose is that? This is my new trailer, man. I literally just bought this not too long ago, literally a month ago, I think. And this is an 18-foot trailer, and it has the dovetail in the back, as you guys can tell. This is a brand new 2021 trailer, and tandem axle, and it does have electric brakes, only on one axle though. And it's wood. You know, I wanted to go for the steel, but surprisingly, with all the wood shortage and everything, this thing wasn't really too expensive. All LED lights, and as you guys can see, that little jack does put in work, but I have a jack stand there just in case this thing was to fall down. But I have it in the shop right now because I plan on taking the car to go get the transmission put in. So it's good news for you guys. You know, I'm moving on it, and we are gonna get this transmission put in as soon as possible. But without further ado, we can start showing you the shop. So this is what you see when you walk in. So me and the homies, we kind of split it up into 4 ways. You guys are probably wondering what this is. This is my buddy's MR2. I do not know what year it is, but it's pretty sick. If you guys know Xavier, you guys are an OG subscriber. Xavier's my homie. He does all the work and helps me out when I need it. He's building this little 4-cylinder motor. He put a turbo on it. Super cool, super fun car. Weighs less than 3,000 pounds, so he's shooting for like 450 wheel, and this thing's gonna roll out. We split this thing into 4 ways, so this is Xavier's spot right here, and then down the middle. It's bigger than a garage space, so down the middle is Xavier, then it's me. I have the whole space right there. And then my buddy Juan, if you guys are an OG, you know him. He is the one with the orange 3-valve. His car is currently in the shop getting an LS. And I know some of you tried and true Ford owners are gonna be salty about that, but I'm excited for him. It's gonna be a super cool new experience. I've never seen an LS Mustang before, so he's gonna have an LS 5.3 and a 4L60 in it. So that car is gonna roll out. Also, he has a fat cam going in it, so we're gonna pick that up soon. And let me know if you guys want a video on that. And then in the corner, this is our homie Chris. Here you guys can see he has his motorcycle stand and his whole toolbox set up and everything like that. And this is his spot right here. We got this little couch. My buddy dog chewed up the couch, so we said might as well throw it in the shop. A little weight set. But yeah, man, this is our new area. It's super, super nice. I love it so much. The only thing, you know, that I wish is that it had more lighting, but you know, we can add to that. Me and Xavier were thinking one right here, one over here for our side, and it's gonna light up. But as you guys can tell, only one bay is open right now, and there's still a ton of light in here to film. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys some of the things I purchased also. Just bought this toolbox. It's a US General toolbox. I got a great deal on it. And if you guys didn't know, this is what I tell you guys. You guys need to follow my Instagram right now. When I tell you guys, I don't just tell you for no reason. The whole time I've been gone, I have been updating on my Instagram this whole time. So if you're on the Instagram, you know exactly when I got the shop, the new vehicle that is outside, which will be on the next video that I just purchased. You guys would know all of this that's going down. So follow my Instagram right now if you're not. It's the same as it is here on YouTube, 4.6chris. Go do that. And if you guys don't know, I started a little side hustle. Nitrous Express refills. I started doing my own fills, guys, so I'm not getting taxed anymore for all of those refills. And we have our own stuff. So a couple of bottles over here. I have a guy on the way right now. We're gonna fill his bottles. So if you guys wanna know how to fill your bottles at home, I can show you that also. We have some tires, wands, drags, my drag setup. FR500 still looks sick. And the free-flowing exhaust. But yeah, man, I mean, it's pretty simple. I've been hustling, man. I've been grinding 60-hour weeks, just straight at work, man. And you know, it's all coming through, and you know, it's finally starting to flourish. So I'm really happy about that. I'm really happy for all you guys that are sticking along for this, and I hope you guys like this new content that this new vehicle is gonna bring. So when this car is down, we can do stuff to that vehicle. So if you guys have any guesses y'all want to do, drop a comment down below. And if you haven't yet, drop a like for your boy for the comeback, and let's get some good vibes in here, man. So go smash that like button and hit the comment section. Burn it up for your boy. Truly helps out a ton. So yeah, man, I really can't wait to get this car back on the road. We have tons and tons. Oh, what the heck? I forgot about the transmission. I already thought I showed you guys because I showed Instagram. But this is the Hanlon Motorsports Tr 3650. It does have a new shifter on there. I'm trying out their shifter that they recommended. I will have more on this when I install it. But basically, this is a built TR 3650 billet gears, billet shift forks, and this transmission is rated for about 700 horsepower. And we have a new sponsor on the way, and it is Vengeance Clutch. Vengeance is sending me out a twin disc. I have not purchased that yet. That's the only thing we were waiting on, and we have been waiting on for a while. They gave me a partial discount, but I'm still paying about $700 for their twin disc. And the reason I went with the 3650 is, I will have more on this. I'll make another video on the TR 3650 swap. But the main reason why I did the TR 3650 is because this car is gonna have a Coyote in it one day. And one day, I hope it's within the next 2 years. So we are gonna do a Coyote swap. I plan on doing it in here. If you guys are wondering how it's gonna be set up, the car is gonna be reversed against the wall right there. So there'll be a lot more room. It's just because the trailer's in here right now. The TR 3650 will bolt right up to the 5.0, and the Vengeance twin disc will work with the 5.0 also. It just needs, the flywheel needs to be changed. And Vengeance told me I'll send them this old 6-bolt flywheel back, and they'll give me an 8-bolt for the Coyote. And you know, basically all we need is a motor and the wiring harness. So it's gonna be super, super, super easy. Well, not super easy, but just money involved to get this car with a Coyote in it, like my dreams. And yeah, man, that's basically it. So if you guys have any questions for me, if you guys are excited about the comeback, if you guys are excited for the return for the videos, let me know in the comments down below, man. Truly makes my day. This feels so weird, you know, recording. But now that I have the camera in my hand, I'm doing this again. Starting to feel normal, man. So that's great. It's awesome. I'm gonna film more. I have another video set up for you guys already next week. So drop a like for your boy. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys are stoked for the comeback. We'll see you guys on the next one. It's your boy 4.6Chris. See you on the next one, man. Peace.
I am, girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can.